Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up tally forms with branded themes and colors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Tally Forms website. Log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the New Form button to start a new form. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. To customize the form, go to the Design tab in the Form Editor. Here, you will see options for customizing the theme. Select Theme to access pre-made themes or click on Custom to create your own. To use your branded colors, find the Color section. Here, you can enter your brand's color codes or use the color picker. You can customize the background color, text color, and button color. Adjust the font styles under the Fonts section to match your branding. You can also modify the layout by choosing different options in the Layout tab. Once satisfied with your design, click on the Preview button to see how it looks. If everything is as you want it, save your changes by clicking the Save button. Now, your form is ready to be shared or embedded on your website. You can find the sharing options in the Settings tab. Choose your preferred sharing method and copy the link or embed code. Congratulations, your tally form is now set up with your branded themes and colors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.